Embedded figures, identifying a given figure hidden within a larger, more complex figure. Paper folding, visualizing the pattern formed when a paper is folded and cut, then unfolded. Question 1. Select the figure in which the given figure is embedded. Image of a complex geometric figure. Option A, image of a figure. Option B, image of a figure. Correct answer is B. Option B contains the exact configuration of lines and shapes as the figure in the question. Carefully trace the figure to confirm the match. Question 2. A piece of paper is folded and cut as shown below. From the given answer figures, indicate how it will appear when opened. Images showing paper folding and cutting. Option A, image of unfolded paper. Option B, image of unfolded paper. Correct answer is C. The paper opens symmetrically. Account for each fold and cut location to predict the final pattern. Question 3. Find the alternative which contains figure X as its part. Image X. Option A, image A. Option B, image B. Correct answer is D. Figure X can be clearly identified within figure D. Rotate the image in your mind if visualization is an issue. Question 4. Choose the figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure Z. Set of images showing folding steps leading to Z, figure Z at the end. Option A, image A. Option B, image B. Correct answer is A. The reverse folding steps create mirror images across the fold lines. The relative positions of the shapes are key. Question 5. From the given answer figures, select the one in which the question figure is hidden/embedded. Image of question figure. Option A, image of figure A. Option B, image of figure B. Correct answer is C. Scan each option for the complete outline of the query image. Figure C contains the exact embedded pattern. Question 6. A piece of paper is folded and punched as shown in the figure. From the given answer figures, indicate how it will appear when opened. Images of folding step 1, folding step 2, punch. Option A, image of unfolded figure A. Option B, image of unfolded figure B. Correct answer is B. Each punch is mirrored across the fold lines when the paper is unfolded. Option B reflects this symmetry. Question 7. Select the figure in which the given figure is embedded. Image of triangle with internal lines. Option A, image of square with diagonals. Option B, image of rectangle with triangle. Correct answer is D. The question figure forms a portion inside the pentagon in option D. The triangular arrangements match perfectly. Question 8. A square paper is folded twice and a punch is made, which will represent its unfolded form correctly. Images of two-step folding and one punch location. Option A, image of square with one hole at center. Option B, image of square with one hole at each corner. Correct answer is C. Since the paper is folded twice, the punch mark should appear at similar positions in all four quadrants when unfolded. Question 9. Identify the figure which contains the given figure. Image of diamond with lines inside. Option A, image of octagon. Option B, image of hexagon. Correct answer is C. Only option C is another diamond shape and has an internal structure that may allow original figure to appear inside to match question. Question 10. A piece of paper is folded according to the sequence shown. How will it look like when unfolded? Images of paper fold 1, folder 2, cutting of triangle. Option A, image of a diamond with four corners cut off. Option B, image of square with a triangle and diamond. Correct answer is C. Because of where the triangle is cut off, one corner from all four sides would have a corresponding triangle taken off in unfolded image. Question 11. Among the answer figures, which figure can be exactly embedded in the question figure? Image of L-shaped figure. Option A, image of triangle. Option B, image of square touching triangle. Correct answer is C. The orientation and right angle of figure C match, and internal angles are the similar. Question 12. A piece of paper is folded as shown then cut. How it appears when opened. Folding 1, folding 2, cut circle. Option A, square with big circle in the middle. Option B, square with 4 small circle. Correct answer is B. Paper is folded twice and circle cut off. Circles would have to appear in quadrants, creating circle in each quarter giving square with 4 small circles. Question 13. Select the figure from options containing X as part of it. Image of X trapezoid. Option A, image of triangle with circle. Option B, image of weird shape. Correct answer is D. Trapezoid shape easily identified inside trapezoid shapes from option D. Thus it contains X. Question 14. When a paper is folded as given, it appears as in Z. How did paper look before? Images of fold 1, fold 2, final Z. Option A, image triangle folded twice. Option B, image square folded twice. Correct answer is B. Folding directions can be traced backwards to the folded square. Starting paper looked like a square to start. Question 15. Image question, identify original when unfolded. Image to find original. Option A, image A. Option B, image B. Correct answer is A, because of folding order. By checking folding sequence, it is clear.